In this video, you will see an example of how to load the .AV Framework program on Crestron Virtual Control. The process is similar to loading code to a Crestron processor appliance, such as a Pro 4. With Crestron Virtual Control, you can add programs using the web interface, and then you can assign those programs to rooms. A room requires a purchase of a room license to run. First, you will need to download the package of .AV Framework from Crestron.com. To do this, go to the VC-4 product page, select Resources, and download the AV Framework package under the Software section. Next, we will save the file and launch the Virtual Control Web UI by going to the following URL. In our case, the IP address of our server running Virtual Control is 192.168.2.212, so we will need to add that to our URL. Select the Settings tab, Program Library, and select the Add Program button. In this example, we will use MPR-103 as the name and description. The name and description should match that of the room it is installed in. Select Program File and browse to the location where you extracted the zip that was downloaded earlier. Select the AVF plugin CPZ file. Next, you will see there are 4 types of files we can load. To load each, you need to select the Choose button, browse to the same location where you extracted our file, and select the file you want. First, we will add the XPanel file. Press the Choose button, choose the appropriate file, and press Upload. After you select a file, remember to hit the Upload button for each. For configuration files, you need to select the index.zip file and then select Upload. If you are adding a mobile project or TSW project file, you would add them here. We will add a TSW panel in this example. Next, you will need to associate the program with a room. To do this, go to the Actions button on the right, select Add Room. Then select the program you want to assign to that room. For the room name, we will use MPR-103 and 103 for the room ID, and then press the Add button. To verify the program is running, you can navigate to the Status tab, select Rooms. Under Status, we can see that the program is running. You will need to generate a token to launch the AV Framework dashboard interface. To do this, go to Settings, Tokens, and select Add Token. Lastly, press the Copy option with the icon here. Then click on the configuration URL. Paste the token into this field and select Sign In. Once the token is entered, you can go to the AV Framework dashboard to configure your system.